If log of x plus y divided by 3 is equal to half into log x plus log y, then find the value of x by y plus y by x. So let me consider this equation. Log of x plus y by 3 is equal to half log x plus log y. Is equal to half into log x plus log y. Now, in order to solve LHS, I will use this formula: log of a to base n minus log b to base n is equal to log of a divided by b to base n. And also, to solve the right hand side, I will use the formula so LHS will become log of x plus y minus log 3 is equal to half into log x plus half into log y. Now I'll send log 3 onto the right hand side. I will get half log x plus half log y onto the left hand side. Now half log x can be converted as n into log of a to base b is equal to log a to the power of n to base b. So using this formula, I would solve log of x plus y minus log of x to the power of half minus log of, I will use the same formula again, y to the power of half is equal to log 3. In order to solve LHS, I will use this formula again: log a minus log b equal to log a by b, and I would get log of x plus y divided by xy whole to the power of half is equal to log 3. Now converting logarithm to exponential form. So I would have x plus y by xy whole to the power of half is equal to 3. Now squaring on both the sides, I would have x square plus y square plus 2xy, and in the denominator I would have xy is equal to 3 square. When I split the terms on the LHS, I would have x by y plus y by x plus 2 equal to 9. X by y plus y by x is equal to 7. That is our final answer.